You cannot go wrong with this. Make it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making buffalo chickpea pizza. So let's get into it. I'm starting off by making the ranch dressing. I let the raw sunflower seeds sit in water that I boiled for about 15 minutes. And now I'm adding the sunflower seeds and the water to the blender, and I'm just going to blend it up until it's smooth. I also doubled the recipe. It calls for 1 cup of sunflower seeds, but I added 2. I doubled everything. And now I'm just adding the seasonings and the herbs. So now I'm just slicing up 1 yellow onion and sautéing it. So while the onions are cooking, I'm going to prepare the buffalo sauce mixture. I'm adding a 1/2 cup of the ranch dressing and a 1/2 cup of red hot sauce into a measuring cup, and I'm just going to mix it up. I'm dusting a little bit of flour and oil onto a pizza pan, and now I'm going to roll out the dough. Let me roll it out. And I keep messing with the dough. I gotta roll out this dough. I'm pouring 1/2 of the buffalo sauce mixture onto the pizza. And then I'm going to take the remaining sauce and add it to the chickpeas and mix it all together, then put it on the pizza. Also season the chickpeas with garlic powder and pepper if you choose, or you can sprinkle some on the top of the pizza before you put it in the oven. Now I'm adding the onions on top and some dairy-free cheese, and I'm going to bake the pizza at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Before I took the pizza out of the oven, I let it broil for about 2 minutes just so the cheese could brown a little. I'm now adding some cilantro on top. You can add parsley or you can add some green onions, whichever you choose. I'm also going to drizzle some buffalo sauce on top and a little more ranch. There we go. Here's the pizza. This is so good. This is legit. Yummy. You cannot go wrong with this. Make it. My battery's low. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at NamNamToFitness. I'll see you next time. I'm gonna finish this pizza.